What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Tyler Rodriguez here. So I want to update you guys on this product, man. So you remember I'll put the video on the eye up here. I did like the Chisell jawline thing. So them boys was $40, man. They broke. I was pretty mad about it, not gonna lie. I got another one in the mail, but recently for a couple of 4 months, 6 months, I've been buying these, these are like little jawliners from like Temu, whatever you say, man. Literally like $4. Basically, I don't know if you can't really pick it up. They're basically like the same thing. Just put it in, chew on it. Got 2 in at a time. And bro, it does the same exact thing as the other. I'll get like 4 packs of these. It's literally like, for 4 packs, it's like $10. I think these are like $2, so it's like $10. And I always chew them till they break. I don't know if that's what you're supposed to do, but that's what I do. And so honestly, if you're gonna chew them till they break, I mean, I'd rather spend. Yeah, I mean, look, the Chisel ones I think are designed a little better. They're smaller, they have more pressure, and they're definitely more durable than these. But they're still gonna break eventually, and they're like $50, something like that. So I would definitely recommend, if you guys are buying the Chisel stuff, go for these. I know a lot of jaw products are big now, mewing, stuff like that. So I just want to tell y'all my 2 cents, maybe save y'all some money too. So I would recommend these. They got the whites, which are like the light, and then gray is like medium, and then black is like the hardest one, or like not the hardest, what's the most pressure, something like that. So yeah, man, definitely try that out. I hope y'all take my advice. Let me know if you find anything different. Comment, like, subscribe, share. Check out the IG links below, and I'll see y'all next time. Stay healthy, stay well, stay blessed.